Tell you what, it's a few months since I've sent one up here. Didn't do a very good job of it either. Well, guess where we are? Out riding trails on a Friday night after work. With the legend himself, Stucksie. That is a high gear. Steepage. Oh, she's steep like. On that?
Yeah, I was looking at that there on top.
Okay, so this is rather naughty. And I don't know if there's a way out. We've absolutely done ourselves in here. There's no way out down there. We're stuck. We're in bother here, lad. We're in bother, aren't we? Yes! We've got ourselves in a pickle. I love it. The old gups. They're absolutely doing me no justice here with the steepness of this. But let me tell you, this is steep. And put my gigs on because I can see myself getting pocked in the eye. Now look at them bad boys. Some of that. He is naughty. Yeah, Stucksie! Yeah, get yourself up it! Woohoo! That was sick! Woo! Well happy with that one. How did we get up there? I've tried that before in winter. Got nowhere near it. I was first, yeah, but remember you've changed your gearing. In for round two. Oh, it's crawling her. Oh, what you don't want to do is dig any holes in it. Get a bigger run up and go blah, 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 blipping it, blah 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 blah. Then as you come round the turn, it's a rolling that throttle on, and then when it starts to spin, blup blup blup.
I wish I had that technique.
Ah, where are you going? Yes, kid. Go on! Oh, it still looks nasty in there. You're gonna get a go at it from there? Oh my god! That is steep as well. Look at him down there. He's stuck. Are you stuck? Yeah. Go on, lad. He's absolutely done it as well. Oh! Oh! I nearly larried that, didn't I? Oh. Oh! Oh! Guess what? It's had some trees in it.
Oh no!
Yes! Yes, Stubbs! That's sick!
Full for
Well
that!
done, that was mega!
And then like that.
That is it, say it again. That's it! Once you get your head around that, you're done. Lovely riding. Bloody lovely that Stucksie, lad. Oh, it's nice to get a bit of wind in there. Woo! Oh my God! It's a speed run up Jurassic Park. How fast can we do it? And can we keep the feet up? Stucksie's looking strong. Ooh, 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 ooh! Go on, lad. Oh, still got my feet up. This is going to test us here. Oh, it's actually easier than last time I was in it. Keep going, keep it going! Oh no! Oh, I'm about to put my feet down. Oh no! Cock that up as well. Oh my God. Yes, lad. Woo. I want that middle one. This one. Looks pretty sketchy, man. He's fast, he's getting away on me, I think. Can't see that gap closing. Woo. Getting absolutely whiplashed. Shame we didn't have Stucksie in sight. Whoa! Go this way! Should we hurry him along? Whoa! Oh! Hey up, lad! Not onto it! Skids! Ow! Bloody hell, this is awful! Whoa! got in some good ground there. Yeah, Stucksie lad. Whoa! Overtake me!
Really?
Yeah! Man, that just makes it a lot harder. Whoa! Where you going?
That bit through woods, that nice bit through woods.
Okay. Oh. This is what Friday nights are for, I think. Yeah, Stucksie lad. Well guys, I think that's it for this video. That's a Friday night ride, testing a few mods on the bike. Me and Stucksie out here, giving you guys some content. Oh no! Look how buzzing he is that I didn't get him there. Oh, I was all out of sync. I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh. I know what I did wrong, tried to get too close to him. Like and subscribe, thanks for watching, see you on the next one, bosh!